How to install Cloud Code on VS Code. So in order to install this, what you can do is you first need to open your VS Code on your computer and click onto this extensions icon that you can see on your left hand panel. Click on this, and after that you can see this. So click onto this search and let's search in here for Cloud Code. Once you have done that, this will actually search the marketplace for that particular extension. Here we have our Cloud Code. To click on this, you can see the install option. Proceed to click onto this right here, and after that, make sure to read this and click onto this Trust Publisher and Install. This will install for a bit, and then after that, and after it's been installed, you should be able to see it directly onto your actual VS Code, and it should be able to be usable onto the next part. You can also enable auto update for this if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.